The human body is rarely static, and its component parts, especially in the limbs, are dynamic entities. Anatomical language, therefore, has a special set of terms to denote direction of movement of the various body parts. In the upper limb, flexion denotes a forward movement of the whole limb or any part of the limb. Conversely, backward movement of the limb or any part of the limb is referred to as extension. When the upper limb is moved away from the vertical midline axis of the body, that movement is referred to as abduction, and movement of the limb towards the midline axis of the body denotes adduction. In certain joints, there is so much versatility of movement that the individual parts can be moved about several different axes. Such multi-axial joints, best exemplified by the shoulder joint. The shoulder joint is so versatile that not only is it capable of flexion and extension and abduction and adduction, but it is also capable of so-called internal rotation and external rotation. Internal rotation is also known synonymously as medial rotation and external rotation as lateral rotation. Internal rotation and external rotation at the shoulder joint can be demonstrated not only with the arm in the neutral position, i.e. by the side of the body, but also with the arm in abduction. This, with the arm in abduction, is external rotation. And this is internal rotation. A sequential combination of all of these movements in the shoulder joint is referred to as circumduction. Moving distally down the limb, you will observe that the forearm is capable of specialized rotatory movements. An inward rotation of the forearm is referred to as pronation, and returning to the forearm to the original position constitutes supination. If you should have any difficulty in remembering which is supination and which pronation, simply remember the position of the thumb in each of these movements.